coming down the hill on four-wheeler. I was going to try to give a shot of what it looks like coming down through here. Okay, yeah, there it is. There is the cabin from down at the graveyard road. The view from the road down here. Okay, well, I got a little bit more done. I got the windows in upstairs. And I mean, I still got to trim around them, and I'm actually going to have to straighten that up right there. That's a little off. And cut those off, finish this side. You know, I mean, it's just all that kind of stuff. But what I'm trying to do is trying to get it kind of enclosed before I start working, which is pretty soon. Yeah, there's another angle of it. It's kind of working. Over here, I'm going to put siding on this side too, but I ended up coming up with some plywood. And I kind of got it pieced in together. I got another piece here. Some of those, like, well, that one was almost a full sheet. They're all fairly big pieces, so it kind of worked out pretty good. Back here, got more plywood, and like I said, I'm going to put siding up on this eventually, but I'm just wanting to get it enclosed, and this should work pretty good. And inside, it is resembling a cabin interior almost. I mean, I'm going to probably start getting some insulation or something to put in the walls before I put the stuff on the inside, but it's closed in mostly, you know. You can see I got to have a little on each side of that window, a little bit up here. You know, there's still some stuff needs to be done, but it's coming. It's coming slowly. But that's my little update of what I've got right now. You know, I've got a pretty good little pile of 2x4s here. And there are actually more where that come from. I've been getting all kinds of wood, but what I'm needing, been getting a lot of 2x4s, which I do need 2x4s. And I love having the plywood because that actually helps, and that'll help seal it up. You know, because I can keep on getting more plywood. I got another piece I'll probably put right here. And a window is going to go right between the 2x4 over to that edge of the pallet. So I have to cut that for the shape of the window. But anyway, okay. But yeah, I'll cover that up. And then once I get the siding on too, it should be a pretty stable building then. It already is, well, it doesn't move around much at all. I mean, it's solid. And haven't done anything else with the loft. I got to run more braces still, but it'll get there. I'm just trying to get it to where I can, when I'm working, which I go back Wednesday to work. When I'm working, I can just come up here on the weekends and work and stuff, because I don't want my floor rotting right back out, because that's what it would do if I didn't have walls, you know. But I'm liking this siding. I think this stuff looks pretty decent. I mean, it's not professional or anything like that, of course. I'm not a professional, but it's coming along all right. I'm still not sure what happened over here. See, you can see it's off over on this side, so I need to, well, I don't know. I got off somehow. It's not that hard to fix, though. Anyway, that is what's been going on here lately. I haven't had a video up in a little while. I just thought I'd let y'all know, or let y'all see what all's going on. Back up here and get a better shot of it. All right, yep, there it is. Don't really have anything over here yet, but it will get there. All righty. I think that's going to do it. It's just going to be a little short video because I've just been up here working. And I've started listening to audiobooks and get to listening to Audible, and I just forget all about filming or anything. I just get up here working. And before I know it, several hours have gone by, so missed out on filming a little bit. But there you go. That's what I got so far. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.